Rosemary, with its signature aroma and taste, has graced kitchens and gardens for centuries. This aromatic herb, native to the Mediterranean, is more than just a culinary staple. Ancient healers recognized rosemary's potent properties, using it to enhance memory and sharpen the mind. This traditional wisdom, passed down through generations, piqued the interest of modern science, leading to exciting discoveries about rosemary's cognitive benefits. Imagine harnessing the power of a simple herb to unlock your brain's full potential. Rosemary offers just that, a natural and accessible way to support cognitive health and vitality. From ancient remedies to modern research, rosemary's legacy as a brain booster is undeniable. Let's delve into the science behind this remarkable herb and discover how you can easily incorporate it into your life. Modern research confirms what our ancestors knew all along. Rosemary is a cognitive powerhouse. Studies show that rosemary's active compounds, particularly carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, offer remarkable neuroprotective benefits. These compounds act as potent antioxidants, shielding brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research reveals that inhaling rosemary's aroma can enhance memory and alertness. One study found that rosemary essential oil improved memory recall in healthy adults. Another study showed that rosemary aroma boosted cognitive performance and mood in a workplace setting. These findings suggest that even brief exposure to rosemary's scent can have a positive impact on brain function. Integrating rosemary into your daily routine is easier than you think. Start by adding fresh or dried rosemary to your favorite dishes. Its pungent flavor profile pairs well with roasted vegetables, grilled meats, soups, and stews. Rosemary sprigs can also infuse oils and vinegars, adding a fragrant and flavorful twist to salad dressings and marinades. Beyond the kitchen, explore rosemary's versatility. Create a calming ambiance by diffusing rosemary essential oil in your home or office. Enjoy a rosemary-infused bath to relax your mind and body. You can even grow your own rosemary plant. It's relatively low maintenance and thrives in sunny spots. Section 4 on rosemary. Safety and precautions. While rosemary is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to exercise moderation. High doses of rosemary, especially in concentrated forms like essential oils, may cause adverse effects such as skin irritation, allergic reactions, or digestive discomfort. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using rosemary, as its safety during these periods is not fully established. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before incorporating rosemary into your diet or wellness routine. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and assess for potential interactions with your existing medications. Remember, while rosemary offers numerous benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly and consult with your healthcare provider when in doubt. Section 5. Real people, real results. Rosemary testimonials. Many individuals have experienced the transformative power of rosemary firsthand. Since incorporating rosemary into my daily routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my focus and concentration, shares Sarah, a graduate student. My memory feels sharper, and I'm able to retain information more effectively, which is crucial for my studies. John, a retiree, attests to rosemary's mood-boosting effects. I love diffusing rosemary essential oil in my home office. It creates a calming and uplifting atmosphere that helps me stay positive and motivated throughout the day. These real-life experiences highlight the tangible benefits of incorporating rosemary into a holistic approach to cognitive well-being. The power of nature to enhance our health and well-being is truly remarkable. Rosemary, with its rich history and scientifically backed benefits, offers a simple yet profound way to unlock your brain's potential. Embrace the power of this aromatic herb and discover the transformative effects it can have on your cognitive health and overall well-being. We encourage you to share your own rosemary experiences and continue exploring the vast potential of natural remedies.